Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion database to LinkedIn Jobs Tracker step by step clearly. First, open your Notion workspace. Create a new page by clicking on the New Page button in the sidebar. Name the page LinkedIn Jobs Tracker. Select Table to create a new database. In the table, add columns for job title, company, location, posted date, and status. Now, open LinkedIn in your web browser. Navigate to the Jobs section. Use the search bar to find jobs that interest you. Filter the results based on your preferences such as location and job type. For each job listing, click on it to open the details. Copy the job title and paste it into the job title column in your Notion database. Next, copy the company name and paste it into the company column. Now, copy the job location and add it to the location column. For the posted date, check the listing and note when it was posted. Finally, set the status column to reflect your progress, like applied or in review. Continue this process for each job listing you find. As you track your job applications, refer back to your Notion database to stay organized. Check the database regularly to update statuses and notes. Consider adding additional columns for notes or follow-up reminders as needed. That's how you connect your Notion database to your LinkedIn Jobs Tracker effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.